you had made a comment that the audio on round 2 and 3 are missing, and so I am making a correction at this time to do over round 2 and 3 so that I will have a voice on this tutorial. So if you want, you can refer to the original tutorial, but this is an amendment or in addition to that original tutorial. And so we are doing round 2, which in this case we are doing a chain 9, skip 1 DC or double crochet, then single crochet on the next double crochet, and repeat the whole process 7 times. So let's begin. So we chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and skip 1 double crochet and single crochet on the next double crochet and repeat. So chain 9, 1, I'm sorry, okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and skip 1 double crochet and single crochet on the next. So keep repeating until we have a total of 8 loops like this. So I'll meet you toward the end to show you how to end the round. So I am now making the last chain 9 loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we skip the 1 double crochet, and so we are going to slip stitch on on the beginning slip stitch right there where the beginning, the first chain 9 is fastened. So we have a slip stitch right there. And so that's the end of round 2. Let's count how many loops we have. So starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have what we need, 8 loops. So then we are going to do the round 3. So on round 3, we are doing 6 single crochet on the chain 9 loop, and then after the 6 single crochet we chain 3 and then make another group of 6 single crochet on the same loop. So Again, if you want, you can refer to the previous tutorial, and which is this one. I'm looking at the computer right now where that tutorial was. So we're just following that instruction there. So here it goes. So we make 6 single crochet over the chain 9 loop. So that's 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 6 single crochet on the same chain 9 loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we go to the next one, to the next loops. We make 6 single crochet. That's was 1. This is second. This is the third. This is the fourth. This is the fifth. This is the sixth. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 6 more single crochet over the chain 9 loop. That was 1. This is the second, third, fourth, and fifth, and the sixth. Then start on the next loop. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 6 more single crochets over the same loop. So keep repeating until we completed all the loops. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So repeat, and then I'll meet you toward the end of this round to show you how the round ends. So I'm now doing the last loop. So group of 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then 6 single crochet over the same loop. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we slip stitch on the very first single crochet that we made at the beginning of this round. And that's the end of round 3. And if you want, you can spread a single crochet over the 9 loop. And so the rest of the tutorials, you just follow the original video tutorial of this pattern. I thank you all for watching, and I appreciate the one who made comments so that I finally decided to make a tutorial to put a voice on round 2 and 3 tutorial. Again, thank you all for your all support, and please continue to support my channel, and I appreciate you all. You all have a good day or good evening, and may God bless you all.